Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making coffee and cloves tea. One thing I don't get tired of doing is having my hairspray all the time. I have different ones. You can go out of cloves, but at least maybe you may still have your coffee. You may go out of coffee, you still have your amla. That's why I have so many of these teas, because all of them do basically the same things. And you should never ever run out of your hairspray, because that's what keeps your hair moisturized all the time. Always have your moisturizers. Moisturize your hair, let's say 3 times a week. You should always moisturize your hair. Use your hair butter and your hair oil, and I'm telling you, you will see results. So I'm just going to be adding hot water into this, and then I will leave it for 8 hours. Never ever run out of hairsprays. You can always use plain water, but what can plain water do for you? Nothing. So why not just have this tea that can boost your hair growth, help you with your dandruff, help you with your itchy scalp, help you with your dry scalp, and prevent your hair fall. So never ever run out of hairspray. You can always use your plain water to moisturize your hair, but it's not advisable. Use either cloves, use your coffee, use your amla, use your moringa, use your neem, anyone, but never run out of your hairspray. So our coffee and cloves tea is ready, and I'm going to be straining it out to get just the water. One thing I love about coffee is the fact that the caffeine inside helps with hair loss, and then it helps blood circulation in your scalp. It also contains softening properties, keeps your hair soft all the time, helps with hair loss. And then cloves has really helped with my dandruff and dry scalp. Like, you will see my scalp very clean, very shiny. So guys, our tea is ready, and then I'm going to be turning it into my spray bottle. Guys, please do not sleep on this. Do not sleep on it. Use this 3 times a week. And then if you have any hair butter, you can use that hair butter every day. I'm going to be dropping a video on how to make moringa hair butter that you can use every day for your hair. So see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.